Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can save a TikTok draft to your gallery without posting. So it's actually quite easy to do this, so let's just immediately jump into the tutorial. So all you need to do is open your TikTok app and click on the plus icon, and then you of course want to select the video you want to save as draft and save to your gallery, or you can of course make one within the TikTok app. So normally all you will do is click on next, and then of course you will simply click on drafts, and then this video will be saved to your drafts. However, the problem is that once you click on that, it is not being saved to my gallery, even though I do want that to happen. So what I then can do in order to actually save it to my gallery without actually needing to post it immediately is clicking on the draft like this. And literally then, all you need to do is right here at the right side of your screen, you have a lot of options right here. Edit, text, stickers, effects, but you also have this option called save. When you click on it, this entire video will literally just be saved to your album, like you guys can see right here, save to album. And then all you need to do is click on next, click on drafts, and now this video is in my drafts. However, if I go to my photos and click on recent, we can literally right now see that this video is now also saved to my gallery without actually needing to post this video to my TikTok account. So that's how you can save TikTok draft to gallery without posting. If you learned something from this video, I would highly appreciate it if you could like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I hope I will see you in my next YouTube tutorial video.